Welcome back to Quiz Terrain. It's English quiz time. Think you can get all 40 right? Hit the like button. Let's find out. Section A, Prepositions. Choose the correct preposition, A to D, to complete each sentence. The dog is sleeping. The mat. A. At. B. In. C. On. D. By. Answer C. On. She graduated the university last year. A. From. B. At. C. On. D. In. Answer A. From. The children played the rain. A. On. B. At. C. By. D. In. Answer D. In. He drove the tunnel to reach the other side. A. Over. B. Through. C. Across. D. Along. Answer B. Through. The letter was written. A pen. A. By. B. In. C. With. D. On. Answer C. With. We will meet Monday morning. A. On. B. At. C. By. D. In. Answer A. On. The keys are the drawer. A. On. B. By. C. At. D. In. Answer D. In. She sat her friend during the ceremony. A. Along. B. Beside. C. Next. D. Near to. Answer B. Beside. The flight departs. Dawn. A. On. B. By. C. At. D. In. Answer C. At. He was praised. His hard work. A. For. B. By. C. About. D. With. Answer A. For. Section B. Question tags. Choose the option that most suitably completes each sentence. You have met him before? A. Have you? B. Did you? C. Don't you? D. Haven't you? Answer. D. Haven't you? She doesn't like vegetables. A. Doesn't she? B. Does she? C. Did she? D. Is she? Answer. B. Does she? Everyone enjoyed the party. A. Did they? B. Didn't he? C. Didn't they? D. Wasn't it? Answer. C. Didn't they? He is the tallest boy in the class. A. Isn't he? B. Was he? C. Wasn't he? D. Is he? Answer. A. Isn't he? We ought to leave early. A. Should we? B. Ought we? C. Don't we? D. Oughtn't we? Answer. D. Oughtn't we? Nothing was stolen from the house? A. Wasn't it? B. Was it? C. Weren't they? D. Were they? Answer. B. Wasn't? I am late for the meeting. A. Amn't I? B. Am I? C. Aren't I? D. Isn't it? Answer. C. Aren't I? The students must submit their assignments tomorrow. A. Mustn't they? B. Must they? C. Shouldn't they? D. Won't they? Answer. A. Mustn't they? He hardly speaks in public. A. Doesn't he? B. Did he? C. Is he? D. Does he? Answer. D. Does he? The workers will complete the bridge ahead of schedule. A. Will they? B. Won't they? C. Don't they? D. Didn't they? Answer. B. Won't they? Section C. Synonyms. Choose the word nearest in meaning to the underlined word. The athlete's performance was outstanding. A. Poor. B. Average. C. Excellent. D. Consistent. Answer: C. Excellent. The committee decided to abolish the old policy. A. Eliminate. B. Review. C. Introduce. D. Enforce. Answer: A. Eliminate. The principal gave a very stern warning to the students. A. Funny. B. Brief. C. Friendly. D. Harsh. Answer: D. Harsh. The scientist made a very crucial discovery last year. A. Strange. B. Vital. C. Minor. D. Recent. Answer: B. Vital. The journalist wrote a very candid report. A. Dishonest. B. Long. C. Frank. D. Biased. Answer: C. Frank. The new law was implemented immediately. A. Put into effect. B. Discussed. C. Delayed. D. Cancelled. Answer: A. Put into effect. The soldiers showed great valor during the battle. A. Confusion. B. Patience. C. Fear. D. Bravery. Answer: D. Bravery. The CEO gave a concise speech at the annual dinner. A. Lengthy. B. Brief. C. Boring. D. Inspiring. Answer: B. Brief. The child was very inquisitive about everything around him. A. Lazy. B. Quiet. C. Curious. D. Fearful. Answer: C. Curious. The teacher was lenient with the late submission. A. Easygoing. B. Confused. C. Unhappy. D. Strict. Answer: A. Easygoing. Section D. Antonyms. Choose the word most opposite in meaning to the underlined word. The principal gave a generous donation to the school charity. A. Large. B. Public. C. Timely. D. Stingy. Answer: D. Stingy. The politician delivered a very humble speech after winning. A. Arrogant. B. Short. C. Powerful. D. Confusing. Answer: A. Arrogant. The engineer proposed a very complex solution to the problem. A. Expensive. B. Modern. C. Slow. D. Simple. Answer: D. Simple. The manager was praised for his handling of the crisis. A. Noticed. B. Criticized. C. Rewarded. D. Forgotten. Answer: B. Criticized. The company showed transparency in its financial dealings. A. Growth. B. Profit. C. Secrecy. D. Interest. Answer: C. Secrecy. The students were very attentive during the lecture. A. Distracted. B. Present. C. Happy. D. Tired. Answer: A. Distracted. The old woman looked very frail after her illness. A. Weak. B. Thin. C. Pale. D. Strong. Answer: D. Strong. The judge described the criminal's actions as deliberate. A. Planned. B. Accidental. C. Violent. D. Repeated. Answer: B. Accidental. The river water was surprisingly turbid after the storm. A. Warm. B. Fast. C. Clear. D. Deep. Answer: C. Clear. The director was known for being very impartial in his judgments. A. Biased. B. Fair. C. Slow. D. Strict. Answer: A. Biased. Pick your next topic, and don't forget to share your score with us. Thanks for playing along. See you in the next quiz.